welcome back to the channel. Me and my travels. As you can see, the sky is clear, the weather is gorgeous, so we am off to Harbourne Nature Reserve. It's about an hour, 55 minutes to an hour from here. Picked the flattest route. It's not the quickest, but it's flat after the last couple of days of getting about and being here and there and everywhere. So we're gonna go and have a nosy round. It's Sunday, chilled out. Just need to get out in this weather because this might be the last few chances I get this year. So hopefully not, but you never know. So I'll see you at Harbourne Nature Reserve. Cheers, guys. On the way to Harbourne Nature Reserve, I stopped to take a couple of pictures of this stunning canal, and of course a couple of bike shots. Do love my bike shots. And last but not least, a quick selfie like you do. Here it comes. There you go. Quick selfie. Right, guys, we made it. Harbourne Nature Reserve. Just behind me. Yeah. So we're gonna have a quick ride through. I don't think it's very big, so we're just gonna have a quick ride through, see what's going on, record some footage, take some photos, and then see where we go from here. So let's go for a ride, guys. Right, guys, that was it. Harbourne Nature Reserve. Not much to this one, to be honest. It's just a nice ride through, to be honest. I'm in a park somewhere now, so that was it. It was a short and sweet one, this one. If I live local to this one, I would come back and bring the dog and just take the dog for a walk through, because it's a nice walk through and a nice ride through. But living an hour away, I probably won't be visiting this one again, sorry. but it's worth the effort if you're into this sort of thing, or like I say, if you live local and you're close, just to pop through and have a nice Sunday afternoon stroll with the dog. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all at the next one.